Okay, so this is a simple yet fun project. I'm going to show you how you can transmit audio wirelessly over a long distance using laser. First, let me give you a demo. I'm going to place my receiver circuit over here and power it on. Then I'm going to place my microphone over here and
from here I am going to speak with laser. So let's get started.
Okay, first thing first, let's understand how everything works. We have two circuits. One is the transmitter side and the other is the receiver side. On the transmitter side, we have a microphone which receives the audio signal, amplifies it and sends it via this laser diode. On the receiver side, we have the solar panel which receives the audio signal, amplifies it and plays it on the speaker. The only thing you have to make sure is the laser light from this transmitter falls on this solar panel. Now to show a demonstration, I have a Bluetooth earphone. I'm going to place it here. And you can hear the music transmitted through this laser diode over the speaker here. This is called lifi or light fidelity. So basically we are using a light source like this laser to transmit audio data. So now let me show you how to build this. So these are the components required to build your project. You will need a solar panel, laser diode, 30 ohm resistor, 100k potentiometer, one speaker, one microphone module which is the MAX 4466 and two voltage regulators, namely the 7805, two audio amplifiers like this one which is the PAM 8403 and two 9-volt batteries. First, let's take a look at the transmitter circuit. So over here you can see it's very simple. We have a 9-volt battery powering a 7805 to convert the 9-volt to 5 volts, and this is used to power the audio amplifier as well as our microphone module. And what is happening here is the microphone module receives the audio signal, amplifies it with the amplifier module, and in the amplifier module, in place of the speaker, we have connected a laser diode. So this is the complete circuit diagram for the transmitter section. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section and I will help you out. The circuit is pretty straightforward. Next is the audio receiver circuit. Again, as I told you, it's very simple. We have a 9-volt battery, a 7805 to convert the 9-volt to 5 volts, and then that 5 volt is used to power the audio amplifier over here. So what basically happens is the laser light falls on the solar panel and the audio signal is received by the audio amplifier, and then it amplifies the received audio signal and plays it on the speaker. Again, the complete circuit diagram for the receiver section can also be found here. It's pretty straightforward. Again, we are using the same audio amplifier. We are connecting the speaker in place of the speaker, and in place of audio input, we have the solar panel. The circuit diagram with the complete explanation can also be found on our website. So that's it guys, this is how you can easily build your own Li-Fi audio transmission project using laser diodes. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Have a great day. Tata. Bye bye.
I am going to speak into the receiver.